Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Are you tired of waiting in line at the campground dump station in order to empty your black water tanks? Are you looking for the most versatile RV sewage system for any location? Well, stick around because today we're going to tell you about the Rhino RV Sewage Macerator Pump System. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. The Rhino RV Macerator Pump System with VortexCore Technology is the most advanced RV sewage system. It pulverizes sewer waste into 1/8 inch particles and pumps it through a 3/4 inch inner diameter standard garden hose for easy waste disposal over further distances or uphill. The Rhino Macerator kit lets you do without RV sewer hoses and allows you to avoid campground dump stations. You can dump your black water tank at home, into a tote tank, a septic tank, or sewer cleanout port. The self-priming pump runs off 12-volt DC power and offers 10 feet of vertical prime and has 12 gallons per minute flow capacity. It provides run-dry protection, high-temp protection, and low-noise operation. The Rhino RV Sewage Macerator Pump System includes the Rhino Macerator Pump, 4-in-1 sewer adapter, clear rinse cap with garden hose connector, 15-foot 3/4 inch inner diameter water hose, power cord with on-off switch, 30-foot power cord extender, electrical cord mounting hardware, power cord with battery terminal clamps, backflow preventer, vented carry bag, and storage caps. So there you have it, the Rhino RV Sewage Macerator Pump System from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.